Welcome to this video about Mordancage. Mordancage is an alternative photographic process which I've been inspired by for the better part of the last 3 years, and in the scope of a school project I finally decided to try out this process and acquire all the equipment needed for the process. And today I will show you in a kind of working experiment how the process works and what you need to work with it. But first, let's get into the history of the process itself. Mordancage, also known as the bleach edge method, was invented by Paul Liesegang in the late 1800s. The method was originally used to turn a film negative into a positive using a copper acid bleaching solution, but nowadays is used as more of an art form, working with darkroom paper. Jean-Pierre Sud was the man who turned this process into the art form it is today and also coined the phrase Mordancage. In the process, you take a darkroom print and bleach it in the Mordancage solution, and the dark parts of the silver gelatin print will lift from the paper, building so-called whales. After bleaching and redeveloping the print, the artist has the opportunity to modify these whales. Now let's get into the Mordancage solution, but first I would like to issue a warning, because these chemicals that you will be working with are quite toxic and dangerous, so it's important to develop a certain respect for these chemicals and also follow the recommended safety measures, which would be wearing old clothes which cover your skin, wearing gloves, a mask and also goggles to avoid any solution touching your skin, because it will harm your skin. With that being said, let me show you what you need to make the Mordancage solution.
Chemicals needed for the Mordancage solution are the following: copper chloride, hydrogen peroxide volume 110 or 35%, acetic acid 80%. How to mix the Mordancage solution to make 1 liter. Take 750 milliliters of distilled water, add 10 grams of copper chloride, 50 to 75 milliliters of hydrogen peroxide, and finally add 50 milliliters of glacial acetic acid. And remember, always add acid to water. Items needed for the Mordancage process: your Mordancage solution, a water bath, paper developer, old clothes, gloves, some kind of protection glasses, and it is also recommended to wear a mask. First, soak your darkroom print in water before starting the process. Then take the print and bleach it in the Mordancage solution. I used a sheet of plexiglass to easily transport the print. Consistently agitate until the print fully bleaches. This can take 1 to 15 minutes depending on the print and the solution and paper. Rinse the print softly in always running water. Put the print in your developer tray and let the print develop. If you are not quite happy with the whales that build up, you can repeat this process as much as you want. But be aware, if you redevelop the print twice, maybe there will be a lot of whale buildup and the print will kind of fall apart very quickly. For this demonstration, I redeveloped the print twice and repeated the process. After modification, you have 3 options. Either you can fix your print and wash it again and then put it to dry, solidify some whales already with a hairdryer, or use the method that I used here and just dry the print. The first example you saw in the video, I bleached the print twice, and that's why you see there was a lot of whale buildup. and most of the black parts of the image fell apart. After trying some other prints, I kind of got the hang of the process, and here are the results.
I hope this video was helpful to show you how Mordancage itself works, and if you tried the process or have any other inputs, questions or tips for me personally, because I'm also not an expert on the process, I've also tried it the first time while recording this video, please leave the comments below, and thank you for watching.